I have respected everybody enough. And enough is enough. I will not take it again. I will not take it again. It's either we'll settle it in peace or in pieces. And if it is war, I am 100% ready for it. Okay, Nafio? No, what is going on? Are you people joking with me? How can somebody, a non-entity, will be comfortably sitting on my destiny? I need my father's property. I need my father's property now.
Calm down for what? No, calm down for what?
We must settle everything today. Enough is enough. I have had enough. You do know what you're doing? Do you know what you're doing? Eh? Nobody should tell me nonsense, so today we must do everything. We must sign the documents. I will take what belongs to me. My father's property, everything must be assigned to me today.
Everybody get up. Everybody get up. You guys get me the documents and let me start signing it right now. I will do something drastically. I need my father's property. I will cut off somebody. Mama, I will cut off somebody's head. I need my father's property. You make a call now. Call your daughter and everybody. Let them get the documents and papers. Everything. Let me sign it. Hurry up.
Fred, what am I saying?
Why you the ginger elders now?
Who is this Fred?
I know be Fred.
Young man, if you are not Fred, who are you?
Let me be Anayo. Fred, identical twins, but they separate us when I be baby.
That's a lie.
See the idiot we are on.
That's a lie. Hey, listen, I know your tricks. You want to come here and deceive us, Okwaya? They cloned you. Fred is dead. Dead and gone. Leave here now before I cut you into pieces.
I resemble who they lie. Meanwhile, see, I don't fight, I kill.
You kill?
Now, don't follow me to do all these ones now. You want ginger me?
My friend, leave here now before I kill you. Wonyala, leave here.
Oh, no, never.
Who the hell? My friend, get out. Get out from here. Think I don't know your type. My friend, let him get out. I need my father's documents. I need my father's document, everything. Shrink. Mama, who is this useless boy? Fred is dead. CNN carried the news. CNN carried the news. What the hell are you talking about? My friend, everyone lie down. Ow! Documents. The documents.
You're my family.
Go down. I don't know. I tell you about. Who give you gun? Sorry. I don't I did done. I go. Please. I dey talk with your dog. Please. Now they lie. Please. I dey double format. Please. Please. If you stand over, I go blow your head. Sorry. I be Anna, your friend, twin brother. You know what man about to do anything. I dey double over here the lie. I be twins, that idiot separate us don't small. Go ask him. You remain here.
When will I finish?
The last my head is from everything here.
Come.
To the last now, everything here. I tell the man there.
So, Mama, what is going on? What is going on here now?
Come and sit down.
Iche, call my friends.
Hey, shut up! I said shut it! Shut it! Show you are threatening me with knife today.
Bam. I have seen gun.
You want to cut my head?
Please. Continue, I beg. I dey quick verse. Where the meeting continue? Okay, sit down now. Now you don't want to shoot.
Come sit on this side.
Stay there. You will lie down while the meeting continues.
I never knew he was this crazy. If not for his mother, he would have burnt that car down.
I'm letting it slide because of the mother. If not, he's supposed to be in a police cell by now.
Honey, please. So, what would people say? That you killed a family member because of a property? I suggest you heed my advice and settle him.
What will people say? What will people say is the reason many people are dying in silence. I can't continue encouraging stupidity because we are blood related. No. I've settled him. He wasted the money. Now he's coming back for more. No, life is not like that. I work hard to make my money. Are you getting me? I don't plug money on trees. So he should work hard and make his own money if it is not easy.
And close our eyes. If only we, the elders of this great tribe, can say things the way they are, I don't think there is any other tribe that can see our back in progress.
Ishebeze, do not deviate from the reason we are here. What does progress and ethnic national got to do with these two brothers fighting over what I don't understand? I beg of you, set the record straight. Please!
We cannot clash here over your two notice me attitude. Yes, you don't expect me to add more flame, more fire to the already burning fire between two brothers. Ichiakudi is here. And by right, you are not supposed to be here in the first place. Akudi and I, we are equal to the task to settle every dispute that is here, to handle it the way it's supposed to be.
You are a liar! You're a liar! What the hell are you talking about? I know all this will happen. That is why I brought him here. Eh? You want to scatter everything, Okoya? I know your judgment will be wrong. I don't trust you too. I brought him here myself because I know you will manipulate things. Eh? He will be here with us until the end of this meeting, and that is final. Final!
Are you stupid? Are you insane? Is something wrong with you? How dare you talk to your uncles in such a disrespectful manner? Eh? You see that piece? You want to disintegrate in this family. Oma walk, Oroge. Yes, Oma walk. What is your problem?
I am not scared of you. Ifugi, I am not scared of you. Ask about me. I am not scared of you or your useless son. Eh? You must give me what rightfully belongs to me. Nobody can sit on my destiny. Yes. Wait. Your son is useless. You both are useless.
Did I hear you well?
Yes.
You called my own son useless.
Very useless.
Nkechi, did you hear that? Did you hear your useless son calling my own son useless?
Yes.
Inoria?
Mama, don't be touching me.
It is you that is useless. You are the one that is worthless. You are the one that is shameless. You are the one that have no regard.
Oh.
Yes. Nonsense.
It's all right. It's all right.
Look at that.
It's all right.
After abusing me,
It's all right. I will.
What is wrong with both of you? What is wrong with you? Eh? It is obvious you have no single respect for the elders, not even a scintilla of it. What is wrong with you? Eh? And I see no reason we'll be here trying to settle issues with a total stranger.
Oh. Yes.
This is a family
You
matter.
are the strangers. You.
Yes.
You are strangers. You guys, look at him, the stranger.
Our wife. You've seen all that happened here today. When you get back to the city, tell your husband what you saw. Let him know that a whole lot of people are now mad here. Are you still here? I'm out of here.
You are not going anywhere.
Until this time, let's have to talk to the elders.
Nobody is living anywhere.
It is not true, police.
Okay, now let's watch and see now.
And arrest.
Yes,
You must give me what belongs to me, or everybody die here.
You will not do anything.
You will not listen to me. You are not listening.
He's just a noisemaker. I got free. I got money also. Meaning what? It's happening.
I will burn down this house. You give me my bed right now. Give me my bed right now. You think I am joking? Burn down everything. Like that. Listen, if you don't give me what belongs to me, everybody will die. Everybody will die.
I know you are not a man. I will know you are not a man. Burn this house. If you are a man, burn this house.
Money! What the hell? Malikia!
You give me what belongs to me today. It is not working. It is not working.
Hey, woman! You have lighter in your bag. Lighter! If you want lighter in your handbag. Oh! Where's lighter in your handbag? If you don't want it, woman, where's your bag? No! Lighter, bring lighter in your bag. Lighter, bring lighter in your bag.
I never knew he was this crazy. If not for his mother, he would have burnt that car down.
I'm letting it slide because of the mother. If not, he's supposed to be in a police cell by now.
Oh, please. So, what would people say? That you killed a family member because of a property? I suggest you heed my advice and settle him.
What will people say? What will people say is the reason many people are dying in silence. I can't continue encouraging stupidity because we are blood related. No. I've settled him. He wasted the money. Now he's coming back for more. No, life is not like that. I work hard to make my money. Are you getting me? I don't plug money on trees. So he should work hard and make his own money if it is that easy. I don't encourage stupidity. Nonsense. You keep lazing around and expect someone to be giving you money because of... Oh, my princess is back. How are you? My day was blessed.
Christian, you didn't see me.
Good afternoon.
Oh, how was your day?
Fine.
Would you take her upstairs? She needs to eat and have a bath.
Alright, take care. See you soon.
So, like I was saying, they said they need your presence before for the discussion.
Change topic. Education should do is worse. That's final.
When will all this justice? What have I done wrong? No, why are they treating me like this? I wasn't asking for too much. I am asking for what rightfully belongs to me. Or is it an offense to ask for my birthright again?
Your mother here is contributing to all of this. You see, woman, if you can synergize with your son this time around, then show it. Stop playing good to them.
Nine, stop pushing my son. I am begging you. Dikeh here is my only son. And I don't want anything to happen to him. Because if they want to collect everything,
Mama, please, Mbamba, don't even say that. What do you mean if they want to take everything, they should take it? For what now? Do you like my condition? Do you like the way I am? I don't have shishi. I need my own share. My own share, you should give it to me. You're telling me if they want to take anything, they should not take it. They should go for what? Biko, don't even say it. Let them give me what belongs to me. Or else, I will scatter this land, though.
Scatter land now? Is this not land? Start scattering it. The 20 million that was given to you 2 years ago, what did you do with it?
What is 20 million naira compared to what Fred has in his position?
If you cannot handle small money, you can never handle big money.
Mama, this boy in question is having 500 million naira and above in his account. He has my father's properties, everything in his position. For what now? Should we talk about the cars? Fleet of cars. So many businesses. Give him my own share. Is that too much to ask? And you're telling me I should leave it for him like that? For what?
Then educate, you two must have to change the narratives from this settlement saga.
Let's hit it. Let's go.
Your late father is the owner of this property. What you're talking about. So you have to share it with your brother.
Simple.
You understand?
Yes.
Now let me tell you, I am willing to offer myself. If you are ready to go and see Dikeh in the palace, I will go with you. Only when you want to.
I am ready. Ichi, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's start going, Mama. Let's go. Ichi, let's go.
Just hold on. Your mother too will have to come with us. Igwe will have to ask us some questions.
I am going nowhere with you. I am not moving an inch. You see this fire you're setting? You carry it on your head.
What is this woman talking about?
Are you threatening me?
I am not threatening you. I'm telling you.
Mama, what do you mean you're not going with us to the palace? Eh? Are you scared of that boy? Are you afraid of him?
Afraid of what?
Then let's go and see the Igwe now.
I am not afraid of anybody. You are the cause here.
How?
You are the cause of this problem. I told you. Let these people be. We'll be living in peace until you start fighting them. I told you to leave this thing for me and Nkoli to handle. You said no. See, let me tell you. If you have any problem and run back to me, I will not answer you.
I don't understand you. What do you mean if I have any problem, I should not run back to you? Is this not our fight? Eh? Am I not your son? What do you mean I should not go and fight for what belongs to me? So if anything happens now, I should just leave them to take everything from me, and you're telling me don't go and fight. You're the one igniting fire. You are this way, you're this way. Do you like my condition?
Keep fighting.
You don't want me to drive car? You don't want me to be in city
and enjoy? Keep fighting.
Go happen that thing. Iche, please, if you want us to go to the palace right now, I am ready to go. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. I need my own share.
Sir, you said we can go without her.
We can go without her.
If I cholo go fighting, I cholo mamba. If I put you all day, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son. One day, you go see.
Good afternoon.
Hey!
Chineke me. This is madness, oh. Hey! So Ejike now moves along the way, talking to himself. Ha! And he almost pushed me down, no? This afternoon that I was in a good mood. Because carry what you carry, you did not see me. Because
if I cholo go fighting, I cholo mamba. If I put you all day, by fire, by force. Family ways.
Mama, you people should do the needful now. Call your son. Let him do the needful. I want a share in my father's property. Give me my own share. That is all I want. Let him do the needful. Obi is no more a boy. I'm not a man. I'm not a man. Call him now to do the needful. I will change it for everybody. I will change it for everybody now.
Ejike, are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you.
Are you by chance referring to me?
I'm talking to you.
If you want to talk to me, you have to respect me. You don't have to come in here and start shouting and barking like a dog. What is the meaning of this? Have you lost it? Are you insane? Are you stupid and crazy? What is all this? Look, let me tell you. We allowed you to work in that company because you're my husband's blood. But now that you have changed it, you have no regard for anyone. You will not get shishi.
You lie!
Again!
Madam, you are a liar. You lie. What do you mean I will not get anything from the company? For what? Am I not part of the family? Your son gave me just 20 million naira, whereas he's enjoying everything. Over 50 million naira, fleet of cars and every other thing in his position. And you gave me just 20 million naira and you want me to be happy?
You should thank your stars. You should thank your stars. Thank your God that he gave you 20 million naira. But let me tell you, let me put it to you now. Clear that. You see that 20 million? That is the last thing you will ever inherit from my husband's property.
I'm not a baby. Are you hearing me? I am not scared of anybody. I have told you before. I am not scared of you or your son. This is the last time I will come here to talk about this whole thing again. If I come here again, I will kill somebody. Ask about me. I am not Ejike Collins. I will do something crazy.
Ejike, do you know what? It's like I'm adding value to your worthless self by replying you. Chisom, let me go inside.
You are going inside?
You don't, you don't deserve my
You are going inside without asking me. You are going inside without giving me what belongs to me. Call your son, let him do the needful. Let your son do it. I'm telling this now. You are just working out on me. If I start to do something now, you will say I am very stubborn. Call your son to do the needful.
Ejike, please. You can't enter this house.
Now, if you touch me again, if you touch me again with your useless, I will just slap you to death.
Ejike, you have to go.
Call your son to do the needful.
Ejike, stop.
If I cholo go fighting, I cholo mamba. If I put you all day, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like.
You are very stupid. God will punish you there. Idiot! Thunder fire you.
One day, you go see what a fool bossy yo. One day, you go see what a fool bossy yo.
Honey, you're taking so long.
Yeah, I'm good to go. My princess, I'll be out for 2 weeks. Make sure you take good care of mom, okay?
Just because she don't come near my room.
You heard that? Just that she doesn't come close to my room. You have to do more, okay?
Yeah, I will from now.
Good. My princess.
Yes.
What should I buy for you now? Biscuit, ice cream, shower, pizza. Okay? Give me 5.
If I go fight it, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son, one day, you go see what a fool bossy. One day, you go see what a fool bossy.
That is for who don't know him. He's a toothless bulldog. You know, your husband should just overlook him and move on.
My husband is not even concerned about all of this. He's not. But I know he's not giving up. Do you know that I've been to the village 2 times in just a month? He keeps reporting us as if we're bad people.
But people will not believe him. But how is he related to your husband?
I've not even asked him. But I think they're related by father. Fathers.
You're not even sure about that. If they share same father. And he's already asking for his own share of property. I don't understand. Except the 2 fathers inherited the company from their father. My darling, you need to do your investigation before siding the wrong person, okay?
Yeah, I'll ask my husband about it. But he seems so confident, like he's not bothered. All of this is not concerning him. He's just focused on his work.
Now, wow. Family and wahala problem will never end. My darling, you need to tackle it right now. That is very hot. Else, your children will inherit it, which we don't pray for. So tell me, how is your daughter?
She's with our private teacher upstairs. Let me even go and ask Uju why she's not done with the cooking. I don't know why it's taking so long.
Okay, I'm waiting because I need to eat that food.
Nah, Tony, I'm not happy. Nah, things are going bad for me. I am not happy. Nah, I don't understand. You know me too well now. You know how the ball. You know how well I was doing in my father's company before he died. Now Fred has turned his back against me. Fred no longer pick my call, no longer reply my messages. I don't know what is going on. My own brother.
Well, I want to ask you something.
Ejike, that is life for you. Human beings are so unpredictable.
No. Ejike, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever asked yourself, what is it that you did wrong that made Fred to turn his back on you?
Tonero, I don't do anything wrong now. I did not do anything wrong. I don't understand what is going on, but the only thing that is entering my head each time I'm thinking about this thing is that girl. That girl Fred married. I don't understand. Ever since that girl came into our family, things just changed.
See what I'm talking about?
Fred started misbehaving.
See what I'm talking about? Some women have their way of manipulating their husband. Eh?
Baby, it's only a foolish man that will allow a woman to control him and he will throw away his family and his friends. I mean, what is the beauty of marriage? Is it not when your family and your friends come together? That is what marriage is all about.
Nah, this is your baby and our wife material. 100 yards.
Still on that. That's why all this while I was scared of getting married. Because I wouldn't want a woman that would manipulate me or use me. You understand? You know the kind of man I am now.
Okay, go and get married and forget about
Come on,
me.
stop that. Eh? I've seen many of them, but I came after you. So, Ejike, you see what will happen? I will talk to Fred once I get back to the city.
Now talk to him now.
But stop being worked out. Come on, enter this motor. Let's go somewhere and drink. Eh?
Ejike,
Come on. You're stressing yourself up, man.
Ejike, Nah, I don't want to drink.
Come on, let's enter motor. Let's go and drink. Come on. Huh? Let's go. Okay, you're intimidating my woman now to sit at the back. You sit at the front. Let's go, Biko.
Oh, soldier never die, oh, when trouble comes and go. Oh, soldier always win, oh, when trouble comes
What
and
you
go.
have turned yourself into?
Guinea can't.
You drink more than your limits.
What's gonna be your problem? Huh? If I get drunk, what is your business? Even if I drink to stupor, is it your business? I am happy. Very happy the way I am. Have Makabiko. And you are part of my problems. This girl, you are part of my problems.
So you think by drinking to stupor is the way you will solve your problem?
Yes! So long as I am happy, I will drink and drink and drink. But don't worry.
I am afraid nobody will ever take you serious.
They will take me serious. You are the one that is not taking yourself serious. They will not take you serious.
You are smelling drink. You're smelling alcoholic.
Hey!
What is your problem?
How do you have my problem?
You're disgracing yourself.
You are the one that allowed those people to be looking at me anyhow. You're my mother, stand for me, Simba. You made them start looking at me like a nobody in this village. But I will tell you that I'm a somebody. Very soon, everybody will worship me. It's a promise.
What are you planning to do?
Everybody will be worshiping me in this village.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Just wait. I'm waiting for the king and the elders. In 2 weeks. Just in 2 weeks. After they must have finished whatever they are planning, I will strike. And then, Giwa, you worship me.
Ina strike, Wuche get there.
Wuche get there.
Ina strike, Wuche get there.
Wuche get there. Ogini, Wuche get there too.
The way you're smelling.
Abmaka. Did you cook anything?
You're smelling drink. Look at what you're doing to yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, Ejike.
I am not ashamed of myself. I am not ashamed of myself. I am not ashamed of myself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh boy. I want to use myself.
Look at my nose. Get inside. Go inside the house. Get inside.
If I go fighting, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son, one day, you go see what.
What do you do? What the record here now?
Oga Fan now, why they shout? Mind your business now. Wetin happen? Mind your duty post. Or you go collect am o.
Wait o. Na me this mumu dey talk to. See, the time wey you go collect that thing wey you dey look for. If you see am, you go collect am well well. You no know.
John.
Madam.
John. John!
Madam!
Who are you talking to at the gate?
Madam, na one nonsense, stupid, useless boy. What come here, come the record everywhere. It's not even my ear.
You were talking to a stranger at the gate and you left the gate open. While talking to a stranger, you should not leave the gate open. Go and lock my gate, John.
Okay, ma. What the fool? This just what he saying be man. See if I catch you, go
Go ask of me, oh. Now me be chief security for all this area. No only me, the guides everywhere. Anybody will call. I see you.
John! John!
What be that?
Come and carry your food.
Like this way you take this your two left legs. Yeah? With they like one, I no go put an S for you. When you take and come out, why you no carry the food come?
Do I look like your servant? Or you're not hungry? You're not hungry, leave now.
See you. See this half engine. Watch it, bro. You don't feel carry that food come. If not Ghana, you go take 2 hands, carry and come give Oga. I no blame you, na see finish. Champions League football. But this one na food though. Hunger no know anything about shakara. I go carry my food. See, make me today that food though.
If I challa go fighting, I challa mamba. If I do all day, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate.
If I play again, I will win.
Sir, you're not paying me for the game, please.
What did they say, sir? It's not pay for the which game?
Yes.
You know they here when they chop all my money? You know they here when they chop even my watch? They chop my ring. Go ahead and say. See, anybody will lose money for gambling, the quick verse. Avoid me.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
You dey mad? What didn't be said, please pay you. Say in there. I lost money, never announced sister. Get up. Get inside, idiot. Sir. You see how much they chop me for here? What's happen? I talk to you. Why they look at me? I talk to you. See breast everywhere.
No nonsense man, very mean and wise. Always prepared for fight and war. I'm more working, I'm working. It should have been your child. You see, Karaka Purogi, Dodi, and Manaru, Anayo.
See, Dikeh, my son, if you are not violent in this life, people will not take you serious. But if you give him the heat, I bet you, he will rush back to this village and settle you. Don't you think so?
Uncle, you are sounding as if you don't know me. You don't know my plans. If you hear my plans and what I want to do, you will be marveled. You want me to start telling you my plans? Do you want to hear my plans? Everything is set, Uncle. No need to stress yourself. Everything is ready. My boys are just waiting for me to say, fire down, and they will come out and do the needful. I'm a very strict boy.
That shows you're a man then.
If I start executing my plans now, he will come down to this village and start begging me. No two ways about it now.
You see, Dikeh, philosophy has it that if possibility is made impossible, pressure has a way of balancing equilibrium and make it possible. But I want to say this. Those two men who call themselves your uncle, let them stay clear. Or did you include them in your plans?
Uncle, you like speaking big grammar. Ginebo equilibrium and equilobia. Be what they talk. Forget about those two useless uncles. Everything is settled. I told you, don't stress yourself about those things. If they speak big English, you'll be like, say, I don't know what they do. Everything is sorted out. You don't know who they call me. I'm from Dikeh Odogu. If you want peace, I will give you peace. If you want trouble, I am troublesome. Anything you want, I will give it to you. Double, times 2, times 3. Don't worry yourself. In fact, let me go back and start preparing because
wait. I have something to tell you. Just come. You would like to hear it. Come.
I should come.
If I challa go fighting, I challa mamba. If I do all day.
If only your son will honor the Igwe's invitation, this case will start up officially.
Iche, Since Dikeh and his mother have decided that they will drag this family out to the public, they will get whatever they want. And I'm a mekwankoja. That I'm keeping quiet does not mean that I don't know what tradition says. I know how tradition treats this type of case. So, Otobla has his choice. I will match them. You got to go. Bomber to bomber.
Well, if I'm to advise you, let us not open the old wound, because that will bring more separation than what we have now.
Ichie.
Yes.
Dikeh and their mother, they asked for it, so they will get it anyhow. What is all this nonsense? Huh? Nobody should provoke me, and keep you quiet, I labor for everything they are asking for.
It is no good letting it out in the open. I suggest we make an everlasting peace, because my late brother will not be happy in his grave watching things go the wrong way. That is why I decided to come and let you know before the invitation. So I have to be on my way.
Ichie, you have tried. Thank you. But I will give it to them anyhow they want it. Fakarirom. Fakarirom.
For me, I think you should visit Brother Fred, so I have one-on-one talk with him before going to the palace. Biko.
Chisom, are you sure you are making use of that thing in your brain called sense? Eh? Are you insane? Have you lost it? Mama. Why should you talk as if you are a stranger in this house?
Mama, that is my little opinion.
Your opinion does not count. You does not think through the right way. Your brother that traveled out of the country is the one you say I should invite. Invite for what? Have you forgotten? The best thing I have to do is to invite the wife. Let her come. You see Dikeh and the mother. Hey, I will deal with them anyhow they want it. Eh? Hasika akuwasia. Ongenede. Ana bogo kitone ezuzu. Agabana madabara. I labored for everything. Now they want to reap where they did not sow. Aboyangene. Let nobody provoke me, oh.
If I go fighting, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family well support.
Who use the soap I keep here? Ekene?
Okay.
Where my soap?
Okay, the soap was too small, so I use it.
I said, who used my soap? He said the soap was too small and he used it. What thing concern you with the size of the soap? I keep soap, you touch them. Starting when? What did they bring that nonsense now? No, tell me. Monkey they walk, baboon they chop, abi. I go buy soap, you go use and wash car, go give your organ money. Make it make sense. Are you normal?
Okay, now you don't do now. That small soap, they make you they talk to me like that.
You are very, very stupid. You go buy it. You go buy 4. Buy 4. I said make you buy 4. I love you. No respect. I be your mate. Why you touch my soap? Tell me say small. What thing concern you with the size? Useless idiot. I dey here.
I said there is no difference between the guy I saw and your husband. As in, the only difference between them is your husband is rich and educated. You see the other one? He speaks pidgin English and his actions is crazy.
So you're saying you had a face-to-face discussion with him?
I said after slapping the young girl, this guy walked up to me and raised his hand to slap me too. I'm telling you, the only difference is that your husband is gentle. The other one, they behave like Agbero. I'm telling you the honest truth.
This is unbelievable.
You're saying it's unbelievable?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You see that guy? They behave like tout. There's nothing to write home about. So
this is unbelievable. Oh my God. How are you today? Good afternoon.
How are you, my darling? How was school today? I hope you did well. Nice. High five.
Why?
Because Mystic is our cultural day.
Oh, if your daddy doesn't return before then, I'll come and fill in for you.
No, I want him to come because he knows how to dance the cultural dance.
Oh, would you please take her upstairs?
She even knows you don't know how to dance cultural dance.
Oh,
please,
Rose.
You even refused to learn in school. You remember?
Always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. It should have made your child. You see, Karaka Puroki, Dotting and Manaru. Anayo. In a de fear person, na people de fear. Always prepared. Up at the wall of my web. Anayo. Isi ni siga kagaka okwadiro maniru zena.
Guys, stop here. They mad. Why they follow me? Do 360.
No,
I said do 360.
I'm not following you. I was just passing.
Why they follow me?
I'm not following you.
Why they follow me?
Please.
They now, not they provoke me. Why they follow me? No, they say please, they vex me. Why they follow me? Or they please?
I'm sorry, I was just passing by. My name is Rose.
Who send your name? I say why they follow me? Or now come my name is Rose.
I'm not following you, sir. I was just passing by.
Okay, I don't know what they talk. So me now, I don't know what they be passing by.
My name is Rose. No one sent me
What?
after.
Why they follow me? No, they make me repeat myself. Now who come say your name, the Rose? I send your name. Why are you following me?
You look like my friend's husband. That's why I was following you. I'm sorry.
Which kind of human being is this? I look like a friend's husband. Is that why you're following me?
Yes.
You
You look exactly like him. Nobody
if I slap
sent me
you, you change
after
colour.
you.
You're a suspect.
I'm not a suspect. No one sent me after you. I swear. I'm not lying to you.
Sometimes I resemble your friend's sister. You can't follow me. And so if I resemble that person also, and so
you look exactly like him.
If I look like him and then, is that enough reason for you to be following me?
I'm sorry.
You don't even get money. Okay, show me the person where you resemble me. Show me the person.
Give me my phone so that I will show you. Give me my bag.
Take this rubbish.
Now the person really sorry. Look at him. You look exactly like Fred. That's my friend's husband. You look exactly like him. That was why I was following you.
How could you take such a risk? What if he hurts you?
I want to find out something about him.
It's not important. He's just my husband's look-alike, as you claim. And a dangerous one at that. What if he hurts you, Rose? Rose, you're my only friend and I cannot let anything happen to you. Please, stop all of this.
I need to find out something about that guy. There is something, there's more to this.
You have to stop.
I get money before. I did too. I know say I never dressed like that for my life before. That picture no be me. Who be this person? Why you go resemble me like that? Make this guy no go do bad thing no. Make a kelebe no come wale me for you. Me say when I talk, I know even good now. Whichever way we dey here, nothing there happen. Nothing.
Very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. It should have made your child. You see, Karaka Puroki, Dotting and Manaru. Anayo. In a de fear person, na people de fearing. Always prepared, up at the wall of my web. Anayo. Isi ni siga kaka, opwadiro. Mani ruzena yoso, okosiki fobu. Ide play, ide show. Osenkeche, he no want trouble, but he know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared.
Ma, good night, Ma. Good night. I've already put Kristen to bed. Okay. Would you? Yes, ma'am. Give me a glass of juice before you go. Okay, Mom.
Who be that? Who won't knock down my gate now? Who be that? Who won't push down this gate?
Open the gate!
I said, who be that? I dey come. Who they knock like that?
Open the gate!
Hey, drama queen. Who they pursue her? Open the gate.
My dear, the news is all over the TV and radio stations. I'm telling you. You're not aware? Your husband is involved in the plane crash that happened yesterday.
What?
Yes, now.
That's not possible. I called him yesterday night and his number wasn't connecting. I guess he was not with his... What are you saying, Rose?
Where's the remote so that we can search for CNN or Al Jazeera? Because I'm very sure they'll repeat the news. The plane crash was around 9:47 p.m. And I don't think any of the passengers survived it. Where's the remote? Let's just, search for the CNN or Al Jazeera.
What are you saying,
Because the
Rose?
plane crash was around 9:47 and the rescue team came this morning. Let's just search. Yes, that is the news. That's it.
Tony, how far now? I've not heard. What happened?
Plane crash. Are you serious? Fred, how did you get the news? CNN. Hey, this is true. CNN is legit now, bro. Oh yeah, record it and send it to my WhatsApp immediately. Just let me see evidence at least so I can go out and start spreading the news now.
Dikeh.
Mama, do sharp. Record it now.
What? Hey! What news are you talking about?
Good news, Mama. Good news.
What happened?
What God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do, Mama, it does not exist.
What is it?
Fred is dead.
Are you talking about our own friend?
Our own friend now, he is dead. A plane crashed in Ukraine. And it happened that Fred is among the passengers. He's one of the passengers. CNN carried the news now. They carried the news and his name was mentioned. He is dead. Tony, my friend, just called me now to confirm it. I even asked him to record at least 5 seconds or 10 seconds and send to my WhatsApp. So me too, I will just go out and start spreading the news. I start sharing the news. Everybody go hear and say, Fred, don't die. Hey! Chineke name. So God can work like this. Mama, Fred is dead. Let him send it to my WhatsApp. Oh, Tony, God bless you, Mama.
It is no more news, oh. It is now reality. See now, Tony have sent me a video. Look at it from CNN. Are you seeing CNN's logo? Yes. See, this is Fred. Even his pictures was attached to it. That means he is dead. Fred is dead, oh. Fred is dead, oh.
Why are you happy? Why are you happy that you lost your only brother and you are happy?
Who's my only brother, Mama?
Fred is your brother.
That stupid boy, my brother. He's not my brother. Oh. Somebody that doesn't want me to progress. How is it my brother? Even in the Bible made us to understand that any man that doesn't want you to progress or doesn't want you to succeed is not your brother or your friend. It is there now in Exodus, Abi Genesis, somewhere close to Leviticus.
Do you read Bible?
At the bottom line that he is dead. He is dead, he is dead. I am now the richest man. I will take everything. I will claim all his properties. You should be happy. I will take over everything, his properties, including his wife. Everything belongs. Yes, now. Are you joking? You will go with me. We will leave this place and move to the city. Start staying in his house. Everything that belongs to him, it is now mine, officially. Instead of you to be dancing and be happy, you're here thinking, crying, wailing. Oh, Basamu, I'm a big boy, you like this, oh. Fred is dead. Let me go and buy drinks so we can celebrate. What I go? If you don't want to drink too, no problem, I will drink for you. Look at it, CNN. Fred is dead. Osugo.
Hey! Fred, why? Why did you die? They will think my hand is in your death. Why, Fred? Why did you die? Hey!
This why you're around like this early morning. Hope there's no problem.
Ibezem.
Now, again.
Have you not heard?
Heard what? As you can see, I'm just coming back from the palace. The Igwe gave me a message to deliver to Fred, and that's where I'm coming from now.
Our Odogu has fallen. Our Odogu has fallen. The news is all over the village.
Chelu. Which Odogu are you talking about? Fred. Hope it's not Fred.
Fred.
What happened to him?
He died on plane crash this morning. As we speak, AGK is celebrating in Natasha's bar. I'm just ready to go and let the mother know about it.
Are you telling me that our Odogu, Fred, died in plane crash?
My brother, that's why I'm going to let the mother know. That's why I'm going now.
Let's go.
Hi! Come, let's go.
Ocholo fight, Ocholo mamba. If Ocholo go fight, Ocholo mamba. If I do or die, by fire, by force. Family we're supposed to be like.
How do we explain this?
We have to wait. We have to wait. Of course, we have to wait for her. She's the only one that will confirm the news before we know what we're doing.
So now we have to wait here. We don't know when she will be coming back. We have to wait here.
But that's what we have to do.
How?
How you say we should leave?
Butute, bring mat, bring chair. No. Let us land and see. What can I say about what? How do you know?
Their heart is evil.
Today is a good day. Welcome. Hey, today is a good day. Toma Fozo. Number one. Ajak. Number one. Natasha. Because give him one more bottle of black bullets. Let him enjoy himself. Bring anything he wants. Obino must enjoy tonight.
That your uncle be hard.
put salt, use Obado. I'm the happiest man today. My brother Fred is dead. Fred is dead now. And it calls for celebration. Is that why we are celebrating? That is why we are happy and celebrating. Hey, foolish me. And I've been busy drinking, I don't even know why we are celebrating. You are the man. But it calls for celebration anyway.
Ejike, so you are happy, celebrating, drinking because your brother died? Ejike, are you not supposed to be crying?
You want me to be laughing? Do you know why I like you? Why? You are the only person that lost his brother, and he's celebrating it. Not just that, Obinna. Should I shock you? The mother will join soon. And we will still celebrate. We will celebrate. Oh, let everybody die. Even the sister will die. I will celebrate. Oh, anybody that wants to sit on my destiny will die. They will all die. I must possess my position. Oh, okay. I'm the only surviving son. Bring Pomo, Natasha.
Fred is gone. So I will see my husband again. Why? Why me? What do I tell my daughter? Christian is asking about her father. What do I tell her? So I would see my husband again. Why?
It's okay, please, I'm begging you. Please don't wait.
Why?
It's okay, please, Gina. Please, it's okay, please.
How do I continue living? How do I go on living like that?
Please, it's okay, Gina.
Oh, that no go better for you. It no go better for you at all. See my better Oga, my good Oga, that go kill like that. Oh, Oga, but you for stay back. Make I enter that place, go die for you. See all these promises that you've made to me. All of them don't go now.
That's why, my innocent boss. Who is going to look after Madame? What about Christine? What will she do if she finds out you are no more? You would have just taken John. You would have just taken John. Of what use is it to us? You would have just taken John and given us my boss.
Hey, I talk am say this short engine. Say she hates me. When me I come the mumu the lover. Hey, say this short engine. Hey, oh, good people. Good people no dey last again. See my oga wey promise me say he go marry wife for me. Make I become married man. Now all the promises don't go now. Wetin I go do? I go remain single all the days of my life. Eh? Good people that then they die easily. Why this kind nonsense short engine go still there alive? Wetin you do their life they do?
You wishing me death. You wishing me death. I'll put Otobia in your food. I'll put Otobia in your food so you can join Ogabe.
Hey! You want to kill me? Okay, if you put Otobia now, I go carry you, make we eat together, die together, so that you will go there, go marry. And by then I don't go remain single again now. Hey!
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You should join me. You should join him.
See this savage Champions League football. You want put tapioca for my food? Hey! But you don't say if I don't eat food, I go die. If I eat the one where you put on tapioca, I go die. Hey! What I go do? Hey! My God! Hey! My God! And the promises of me being a married man.
Gina, you have to be strong. Please. You have to be strong. Don't forget you have a baby to look after. I know how hard it is for you. But you need to leave to mourn him, okay? Please. You have to be strong. You need to stay strong for him. Let me go and check your daughter upstairs so that I can put her to sleep, okay?
My God is fighting my battle. Everybody is just quiet and seeing everything like flat screen television. Ndilo, shave it off my ass. 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 I told you all, share this thing equally. You are clearly staunch, you are clearly stubborn. Now, what is the update? Fred is dead. Dead and gone. I am the only surviving son of my father now. Now, I will control everything. Everything now belongs to me. I was telling you people, let's do this amicably, but you refused. Ndilo, shave it off my ass, eh? Ndilo, shave it off my ass. You are a hater, shave it off my ass. You are a hater, shave it off my ass. I am a winner, shave it off my ass, eh? I am a winner, shave it off my ass. Ndilo, shave it off my ass. Fred is dead, shave it off my ass, eh? I am a winner, shave it off my ass. I am a winner, shave it off my ass. You are a loser, shave it off my ass. Uncle, let's go. Hey, get.
Shine, Bobo. Shine, Bobo. Shine, Bobo.
Derive so much joy in seeing other people's communities. I don't know what to stand to gain in this.
Their heart is evil. I'll be funny,
I don't know who we have offended. Where have we got it wrong in this family that we're having this kind of losses? This is the first time we are experiencing this kind of untimely death. What is this?
What about our wife and daughter? We have not seen them. Hope they are fine.
They are fine. She is upstairs. The family doctor is attending to her because she has not been herself ever since she got the information.
She won't be. But thank the gods the doctor came in right on time. She's even a strong woman. She's a strong woman. We said we won't wait to be hearing it from outsiders. So we decided to come. That's why we are here.
What about his body? Were they able to recover the body?
The local police that are searching for the body have not contacted us. I believe that if they get any information or see his body, they will put a call across to us.
Who are those two people in the parlor? Who are they?
They are my uncles. They said the news of my dead brother is already in the village.
And who spread the news to them when your brother's body has not been found?
They said Ejike. Ejike is mocking and spreading the news. And even planning to come to the city to take over the house and the properties.
This is war. Hey. Hey. This is war. And who is Ejike to you people?
Now that we have heard directly from you, I think it will be wise we officially tell the Igwe. Because it will be very, very unfair if the body arrived the country before letting him know. How do you say it?
Ibezim is very correct. He's very correct. That news was spread like wildfire in our village by Ejike. Ejike spread that news like wildfire in our village, but nobody believed him. Celebrating it is a mistake and very sacrilegious. We cannot let go unpunished. We said we can no longer wait and be hearing the news from other people, from outsiders. So we decided to come. That's why we are here.
Ejike is our stepbrother. Ejike. I said it openly a week before the plane crash that my brother Fred will never enjoy his wealth. And now he's in the village celebrating and enjoying.
Hey! Now this is war. Hey!
I do not have time for Ejike and his mother now. When I have time for them, everyone will know. The most important thing for me now is to confirm really about my son's death and for the police to search and find his body. Then every other thing will follow. Excuse me. Let me go and check on my daughter-in-law. I'll be back.
Your heart is evil. I've been fighting down. I've been mad.
My son left home very early this morning.
Okay, I think I know one or two places to locate him.
Okay, Tony, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
My son said you were the one that told him that Fred was in the plane that crashed. Is it true that Fred was really in that plane?
Mama, it is no longer a news. Fred died in plane crash. As a matter of fact, every passenger that was involved, none of them survived it. Yeah? Do you know that as we are speaking now, they've not discovered anybody?
Okay, that is what I want to find out. Thank you very much.
The news is all about the social media. I'm surprised that you people at the village, you've not seen the news. Even CNN. Let me check on Ejike.
Okay, one. So truly, Ejike is dead and gone.
What is this now? Ichi, this land is too small now. Is this a land or a shop?
But it's massive.
What is massive? You call this massive? Ichi, please, if you're not serious, let me look for someone else that will show me a bigger land. I beg you. I don't like all this kind of thing. Show me land, you'll show me this
Let's go
kiosk.
to the next area where I have acres of land.
Oh, you have acres of land?
Of course.
Now you're talking. Now you are talking like the Ichi I know. The kind of establishment I want to put on this land, no one has done it before. Hey. Even the king cannot try it. If the king wants to establish the kind of thing I have in mind, he will go bankrupt. I want to build mansion, more mansion. I want to build school, hospital. I'm aspiring billions of naira. Not millions, so billions. And listen, and one good thing is that once I inherit all this property, all this wealth, the ones in the village will manage them for me. Because I cannot stay in this village now. I'll go to the city and be relaxing. Once I inherit everything, you will be the one to manage all these little properties in the village.
I can't wait.
You can't wait? Okay, then show me acres of land.
Come with me. Let me.
Sometimes they make all look cool.
Gabanu is not far from here.
Take me. This is not land. This is kiosk.
If you just go to that side, the other side.
Their heart is evil. I've been funny, Joe. I've been mad at Joe. When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them.
You want to join us?
Yeah.
All right. Ready? Ready? Go! You won.
Come out of the sun.
I'm giving you the cup. You won. Honey, what are we having for dinner?
Christian, what do you want to eat?
Rice. Every time you have rice, me I want swallow.
Oh, you want swallow? So I'll just prepare both of them and store them in the fridge.
Okay, better.
So we're going to have rice for dinner. Let's go! Yeah!
Gina, you need to act fast before you lose everything you and your husband worked for all these years. You need to act fast.
What do you want me to do? If this is what fate has in store for me, so be it.
You have me as a friend. Okay? Do you know what that means? You're ready to go hungry on the streets with a child to look after? No. I cannot allow that to happen to you.
Fred left me in the hands of a wicked world. All alone. My friend, if something should happen to me, please take care of my daughter.
God forbid, nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you. Stop saying that. You and I are in this together. I am ready to give my life for you and your daughter. You're not just a friend to me. You're like a sister I never had. Please, stay strong for me. Please, stay strong for your daughter. I beg you. Okay? Please, you need to stay strong. Okay? Please. Please don't do this, I beg you.
If not for Oga's goodness and kind heart, I would have left already. But I will not go. I will stay back and look after Madame and Christine.
Wait.
may I remind you, say, na me and you did this compound. So, since that time when me and you stay this compound, reach now, you know they see me. You know they reason me. Now you can't count people where you go take care of. You don't even count me, put. Not they good now. I know say you hate me, but sometimes try, pretend say you love me. At least make I dey get hope now.
As what? As what? See, John, that thing that is in your mind, it will not work at all. I will never have anything to do with a gate man, let alone a poor one like you. Please look elsewhere. Imagine.
Huh?
What rubbish.
See person why I want help. Oh. See this mumu why I want help. Now they do cha. Eh? You say you see the kind woman when my guy won't marry for me. Hey! You follow the talk now. Big woman. If you see shape, if you see everywhere, you don't go talk. See person why I want help. I can't look myself. See say I tall, gallant. Now I say make I help you with the ground close. May you no go marry person with they like you when I go born. Now you can't dey form for. Who dey form for? Who go marry you? Half engine. Nonsense.
This is a critical time for all of us. I can't believe that this is happening. My only son, dead, and his body is nowhere to be found. Honestly, deep inside me, I believe that he is alive somewhere. And for that reason, no one should mourn him until we confirm that he is dead. Gina, my daughter, please. I want you to put yourself together. Be strong. Stop crying. Crying will not solve anything. Even though I don't believe he is dead. I will be visiting from time to time while we still wait to hear from the lawyer and the police people. We will be going back to the village.
I hope this is not about Ejike.
Forget about Ejike and his mother. Leave them to me. I will handle them at the appropriate time. This is a tribulation we must stand together as a family to overcome. Gina, my daughter, I want you to forget about Ejike and his mother and focus more on fresh issue. Please. Chisom will go with me to the village because Uju is here already, taking care of you and the baby. Rose, your friend, is also here, even though she stepped out to get something for you. I believe they will take very good care of you. I want you to take very good care of my grandchild because she needs you now more than ever. Uju, please take care of my grandchild and take care of your madam as well. They need you now. Gina, please be strong.
No. What if we do this and my husband comes back? What would then be my fate?
I am only telling you to prepare ahead of time. Prepare for the worst if it comes to that.
It won't come to that. It won't. And even if he does, you're not telling me to bring a stranger into my home all in the name of securing my husband's wealth. No, I can't do that, please.
It's okay. I'm only just giving you a piece of advice. Because the Ejike I know will come for the wealth and definitely throw you out.
Until then, let's not repeat this. I love my husband even at the point of death.
When they fall, they go like you to fall with them.
Just look at the car he said he washed. This car is not properly washed. This car is not properly washed. If you know you can't wash car properly, you tell me, let me take it to another car wash.
That's how you talk. Now your houseboy they talk to. Let's say don't get respect. Car, why I use my hand to wash? You want me to repaint them? Okay, pay me my money and leave this place.
See, I won't pay you a dime if you know you can't wash this car over and over again.
Now beat, I go beat you over and over again. You them mad. Now your houseboy they talk to. Give me my money. Car, why I use my hand to wash? You want me to repaint them?
I won't give you a dime. If you want problem, ask of me. I'll give it to you double.
It's a problem.
I'll give it to you
now
double.
You and my younger brother is gonna do all this business. Me, I don't fight, I kill. Give me my money. If I give me the car keys.
You want to steal my car or what? Do you want to steal my car or what?
If you see TV, you go fist stand.
I won't give you a dime.
Listen, you don't take what they put you.
Wait, let me give you money. Wait, take your money. Have your money. Wait.
Body they pepper me. Make I not use you do sample.
Take your money.
Make I not use you do.
Take your money. Take.
Idiot.
I'm giving you money. You can go. You can go.
Animal.
You can go. Give my change. Let me have my change.
You want change?
Give my change. I need my
see your change.
Go.
See your change. See your change.
You're a madman.
Hunger. Idiot. See the rubbish car where you carry when you tear my hand. You see they talk rubbish. Animal. People who get small car, they too get bad mouth.
This is nonsense. It is unacceptable by me. I cannot take it. Who goes on now? It's just so mad. No, Ogini fear. What is happening here? Do you people want me to start reacting now?
It's okay.
Who is Chisom now? A little girl, a small girl, talking to me anyhow, misbehaving. She thinks I'm Fred. That she can control. I am not Fred though. If anybody tries me, I will kill the person.
Ichie, this injustice has to stop. I have respected them enough. Not anymore. My son here is the only male child Chief Okosa has.
Exactly. The only surviving son.
Every of his property, by tradition, belongs to him. So they should give it to him.
Belongs to me.
Woman, I am happy for you. If you have been talking like this all this while, she will have long ago taken you to be her co-wife and not as an outsider.
Let her just wait for me. Enough of all this cheating. It's enough.
In fact, I will just start to show them my true color. Honestly speaking, now let me start playing them full film or cinema so they can just sit and watch me. Because these people are taking me for granted.
Honestly speaking, I get men, no. I get tools. Anyone they want, I can feel root them out anytime. Tony, bring boys out, we will rocket them. They go come out. What is going on? Imagine Chisom. That useless stepsister of mine is challenging. I will just deal with her.
It's okay.
I will deal with her now and nothing will happen.
It's okay.
She's just a woman. My father's wealth rightfully belongs to me and I can decide who I want to share or give anything to. It's as simple as that.
Exactly.
So I brought right.
Mama, I want to ask, what is Ichie Ude's business and gain in all this? He is the one pushing Ejike and backing him up in all this.
I know. I know everything. I know their game plan. Eh? But you see that thing they are looking for? They will get it too. I am only keeping quiet because what I have against them will either destroy them or it will permanently shut them up. I'm just waiting for the right time. At the right time, near here, back to back, fire to fire. Eh?
Hey.
Give me.
Mama, the one that baffles me most is my stepbrother. He doesn't even care if my brother is alive or dead.
You're talking about that one. Forget them. Let me ask him again. Forget them. All of them will be clothed in shame and dishonor. I know that Dikeh and his mother have already, they have sold disgrace and bought shame. But the way that they will be clothed on that day, it will surprise them. Back to back, fire for fire. They don't know me, oh. As for the inheritance, those properties that they want to get, Shimba, Shishi, Toro, Afo, Kobo, they won't get. They don't know me. They are playing with fire. What I labored with my hands, they want to reap where they did not sow. Oh, Mama, I will not give them the chance. Cha, 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 cha.
Mama, this time, we'll give them hot to hot.
We will fight this fight to the end. Be prepared, though.
We'll fight it.
Yeah. Ha! They want to try me.
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall.
Biko, enough is enough. Mama, I want to ask you a direct question. And in return, please answer me directly. Don't go through the corners.
What is it?
Is Chief Okosa truly my father?
Are you mad? Are you indirectly calling me a wayward woman?
I am not calling you a wayward woman, or I'm not calling you a prostitute, but you're acting like one. What is going on? You don't support me in anything I do in this village. You don't back me up. Other mothers are very happy when their sons stand up and fight for their rights. But you, different story. Outsiders are supporting me. When it comes to your own, it's a different story. What is going on?
Dikeh, calm down. Ogini. Chief Okosa is truly your father, and they all know it.
So what are we doing here? Eh? Can you see this place? No paint, nothing. Look at the kind of roof. Look at the kind of zinc. I feel like crying. What are we doing here? The first wife is living comfortably fine in this village. The house is very beautiful. Fred was living in the city. Very beautiful house. What am I doing here? Eh? Am I cursed?
Dikeh, that will be a story for another day.
Tell me now. I want to know. Tell me now. I'm mature enough to know.
Focus on how to get all he left behind. They never liked me in the first place.
What did you do? What did you do? Why don't they like you?
I don't even have anybody to fight for me. Now that you're grown up, fight. Let us fight against that wicked man with all the wickedness she has collected on me all this while.
Nami, I'm tired, I beg. I'm tired. Okay. I don't understand you.
You're tired.
Support me, you will not support me. Fight with me, you will not fight with me. Now that I'm a man. You have not told me anything, no? Is it really my father or not? Tell me. I don't even look like you. You have bow leg. My legs are straight. Nah, this will not end today. It will never end today. I must find out the truth. In this village, nobody will joke with me.
She told me this in confidence. And from all indication, Dikeh will end at nothing. You see why I said you should always ask questions. Eh? The only option you have right now is to agree with me to go see this guy so that he will stand by you.
But my husband was the one that built the company from scratch.
Tradition would not ask who built the company. Yes. As long as the late father's name is there. You see, this case is won by him. Things can only be shared if Fred were to be alive. You don't even have a male child. A male child to prove, to show for it. That is why all these people are coming for you. Eh?
What do you think I should do now?
Don't worry. You don't have to do nothing. I am here for you. I will handle things myself. Okay? Don't worry. You thank me later.
Are you sure?
You see this life? This life is a game. You either play to lose or you play to win. But you see this particular one, we are going to come out victorious. And that I assure you, my friend. Okay? Don't worry. I'm here for you. I got you. It's okay. It's fine, don't worry. I got you.
Do you have to go? What if he hurts you? You said he's a dangerous man.
Yes, but we need it. It's just that I'm too scared to engage in a conversation with him. But I will try next time, okay?
Who is it? Come in. What is it?
Now one man though, now I enter here say, make I give you this thing.
What is it?
I don't know, I don't open it.
It's from the village.
Madam, make I dey go.
Yeah, go.
I can go Niger State. I cannot delete you. Especially where they leave office. I cannot delete you. This is why they sleep under this hot sun. No customer come.
Boss, na say man. Since morning, no one don't carry car come here.
Where you are? You know, say that one's a bit lodge for hotel every hot afternoon. Carry babe. You don't go as usual.
Don't go now since work no day.
Continue sleeping.
Thank you.
This is exactly what I've been talking about. Eh? They don't even care about your husband, Fred, if he's alive or dead. What is that? These people are very heartless and wicked. I don't understand.
But Mama did not even call to inform me like she promised.
Maybe she does not know about it. And you know these people, when making decisions, they don't even care about women. But don't worry, we will fight. Okay? Call Mama. Call her. Hi.
Very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm blue working. It should have made your child. You see, Karaka Puroki, Dodi, and Manaru, Anayo. You know, they fear pussy, now people they fear it. Always prepared, up on the wall of my web. Anayo. Isi gaka gaka okwadiro maniru zena yoso okosigi for ide play ide show.
What is it now? Oh, Nkegi, you are sleeping by this time of the day. Are you not aware that as you are sleeping, my business will be sleeping?
Okay, customer no dey and a person no go sleep.
Customer go kill you there. You left your own shop, came here and started sleeping with my own idiot. Don't you know that it's spiritually wrong? When you are sleeping, everything about you will be sleeping. Even when there is no customer. Listen, I don't want to ever see this boy again around this vicinity. He should mind their own business. You get lost. I don't want to ever see you here again. I know fear. You are sleeping. You are sleeping. I'll go for you.
Always prepared, up on the wall of my web. Anayo.
Idiot! Open this gate! Open the gate.
At the count of 3, open this gate. If I enter this, I will slap you down.
Who is it?
Madam, I don't know. Feel like say, Oga Socket don't come again.
Open the gate.
No, your guy, brother, open the gate. Are you mad?
You don't get respect.
Let's say they're very stupid. Hold him there, I will stage, idiot.
No, now.
Shh. Hold up. Don't talk anything again. Hold up. It's okay. Do like that. You.
What are you doing in my house, Dikeh?
What sort of stupid question is that? Point of correction. This is my house.
I can see you're crazy. Whatever you're smoking is getting into your head. It's turning your brain upside down that you don't know what you're saying.
Are you talking to me like that?
Get out now before I call the police.
My friend Bush.
Yeah, madam. Listen. Whatever he's telling you now is authentic. Better call your mother-in-law and confirm the news.
In fact, hand over that phone to me now. Hand over that phone to me. Now you listen to me and listen really good. This property belongs to me. Everything inside and outside here belongs to me. I am the only surviving son of my father. And for your information, you belong to me. You're also my property. Okay? Now you go in there, freshen up, undress yourself, lay on the bed and open your useless leg for me to penetrate.
Go and sleep with your mother, fool.
You don't... Open this door. Open this door. I will break this door. I will just break this door now. I will break this door and nothing will happen.
There must be another way to enter this house.
What nonsense? Open this door!
Enter this house.
Bring that guy, come here. Now you go receive all these things. Carry and come. Just bend down like they come like that. They come like goats. Come on, they come like goats. They come like goats. Open this door.
See, Oga, please. Anything what I do, you forgive. All this thing what they happen. As I did, like this man I did. Please.
Bless is what they crazy.
This guy smoke.
Bless say they mad.
What do they smoke?
I know they smoke. Even for kitchen, I never go. Anything smoke, I know the tester.
What do I do now? What do I do? What do you think I should do?
I think we should start with what we have here.
Huh? I need to go inside here. I need to get what belongs to
Yes,
me.
but there is no. This is only one entrance. So let's start with what we have here.
Okay, nothing you have here now.
Let's go.
Go where?
Let's go back and come back later.
No, we write letter, drop for this phone now.
No need.
Never write letter.
We'll come back again. The next time you see my face or his face here, and you refuse to open that gate, honestly.
Before knocking, open the gates.
Are you hearing me? Open your... Before knocking, open the what? 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 Before knocking, open...
Gate.
This man is better phone.
Now my Oga give me before.
Abi?
My Oga give me before you start.
See the talk?
Oga, the man.
Just say you don't get it right. Waste the for this one.
No.
This is your phone. Your transformation will come.
Idiot! See una! When I think say una be man, come make I finish una. I kick. See, una dey pass baga. Una for them now, may I kill una. Hey! Senior gate man like me. Madam, come out! Come out, I don't finish them. Huh? Hey! My phone, no. The phone when my Oga give me. Before they travel, now these people come carry like this. Hey! Who will buy another one? My Oga don't die. Hey! The wife where my oga promised me, my oga die. The phone wey give me might take the manage. They know wetin dey happen. These people come collect am again. Hi! Madam! No problem. I be man. I be man. Madam, come. I don't finish them.
Please, you are the only one who can help us. She will stand to lose everything her late husband inherits from the father to his stepbrother. Please, I'm begging you.
My problem why I get where you dey be say a small thing where you go just munch talk. You go use English, they make a long. I know they like all those plenty English. See, I be businessman. Igbo blood, original one. Tell me wetin be my percentage, wetin be my cut, wetin I go gain. If I like am, I go deliver. Just dey come dey speak many English.
I'm sorry for pestering you, please. Can I have your number? Please, I beg you in the name of God.
It's not pestering. They speak another one. A toothpaste. See, I don't get number. I don't. They come begin to worry me for WhatsApp. I know they do WhatsApp. You know my shop. If you decide what you go give me, come tell me there. If I like them, go run them. If you don't like them, no. I don't get phone.
Please, you're the only one that can help us. I'm begging you, please.
I know they do WhatsApp.
Please, I'm begging you.
Stay there. Hey, stay there like that. Just stay there. Stay there like that. Stay there. I said, stay there like that. Stay there. Stay there like that.
I beg in the name of God, please.
I said, stay there.
Anayo, you know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always.
Why didn't you call the police and get him locked up? For invading your privacy? Eh? This is unlike you. Not even a call.
He took me unawares. And I believe he's still in town.
Let him show his face up next time here. I swear to God, I'm going to deal with him. What nonsense? Eh? Did you even tell your mother-in-law about this?
Her number is not connecting. It's not. That beast is still in town, so we need a tight security. I already told John not to open the gate to any stranger.
See, we need to make a report at the police station immediately. I need to call the DPO.
Rose.
Don't rose me, please. What's that? Hey! Next time, let him show his face here up again. I will deal with him. What nonsense. Hello?
Anayo, you know they fear person, now people they fear him.
Watch that car well, no.
Alright, sir. Good morning.
I can Alpha.
Fine, Oga. I forget to tell you, one beautiful girl find you call yesterday. Oga, this girl sweet die. This girl fine.
I won't give you one advice that will help you. Leave women for now. They never reach. If they reach something for now, just focus. There is time for everything now. You barely feed, but this time when they talk about woman, your ear go just go up like antenna. How? Not they look your oga. Now the same person me and serve. When we dey serve our oga, everybody focus. Even your oga know the near woman. Now after they settle us, him don't make am for life, him begin pursue woman. So there is time for everything. You dey hear me so? Focus.
Oga, I don't hear. Oga, this one enter. I will try focus. I believe you.
If you like, make you enter. If you like, may not enter. The truth I tell you. If you no focus now, at 63 years, you go there, they shall say government no good. I don't tell you finish.
Thank you, Oga.
Anayo, you know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always prepare, up on the wall of my web. Anayo,
Nkechi, warn your son. Give him a stern warning. Tell him that that thing he is looking for in my family, he will see it.
Nkali, enough! Enough of all this. I am not for Dregi. Stop tormenting my son and I. Okay? What rights have you and your children that my son and I doesn't have? What rights? Dikeh is Chief's flesh and blood. And everyone in this community knows it. Stop punishing me, Nkali. Stop it!
Nkechi, point of correction in case you have forgotten. Whenever you want to say son, try to put that word illegitimate, because your son is what? Is an illegitimate son. And you and that thing you call a son cannot come to reap where you did not sow.
Story.
You see my husband? I married him when he had nothing. Everything you see that he has, all the properties, everything, I single-handedly built it with him. Before you now saw it, you saw the properties, you now deceived him into having an affair with him.
You deceived him as a baby.
You deceived him, yes!
Deceived him as a
let
baby.
me just sound this warning to you. Your son, you cannot earn anything. You cannot inherit anything. Any properties, anything that Chief has. Not when I'm alive. Okay. It can't happen. And it will never happen.
No problem.
So I want you to warn him. Warn that thing you call a son. To stay clear from me and my family.
You will surely die.
He will regret it.
You will surely die and my son will inherit it.
That will die. You and your illegitimate son will die.
Since you say you will die for him to inherit anything, you will have to die.
It's you that will die. All of you will die and you will not inherit anything.
What?
Nkoli,
get out of my house! Nkoli, leave my house.
What did you say?
I said leave my house!
What did she call you?
I say house.
House.
Oh, okay.
Point of correction, this is an ant hill. It's not a house.
And I like it like that.
You like it like that?
Yes.
Then why are you fighting over a place that you do not have any hand in building? I will leave because this place, it stinks. Why did I even come?
Leave here, Nkoli. Don't let me do what I will regret.
What will you do?
Leave here.
What will you do?
Nkoli, leave here.
Chisom, let us go out from this anthole. Please, before we go, make sure you give your son the information I came to give him.
When you're done shouting and ranting, my son will inherit his property. My son will surely inherit his property. Chief is his father, and there's nothing you can do about it. I left Chief before you came.
Their heart is wicked. Their heart is evil.
The cost is too much. Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from?
I don't know, but he's the only option we have right now. I tried talking to him and he said it's strictly business. I don't even know what else to do.
Leave it. Leave him. I can't start what I cannot finish. What if it backfires? I'll lose my mother-in-law's trust? No. Let's just wait and see if they find my husband's body. Hello? Oh yes, Fred Okota's wife speaking.
What is it? Who is on the phone? Wait. Yes? Where is that?
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them.
Rose. I want to go upstairs and spend some time with my husband. Please do not follow me.
Gina, please don't do this.
I can't believe this is my husband. Just follow me, Rose.
Gina, please don't do this. Gina.
Ocholo fight, Ocholo mamba. If Ocholo go fighting.
I already sent for Mama. And she said we should proceed with the funeral. So it's true. I will not see my husband again.
Gina, what we should be focusing on is how to scare Ejike away. You know how I managed to scare him away the last time with 2 policemen. Only God knows what he's going to come back with this time around.
Mama also told me that Ejike has taken over everything.
Really? You want to accept defeat just like that? After everything you have been through? I can't believe you said this.
Fighting Ejike will not do me any good. I have to make peace with him. Because I need to inherit something for my daughter.
This is not possible. Because the Igbo tradition I know will never count a girl child in inheriting properties. Gina, it can only come to make peace in the table when you lay your demands. So this is not a time for you to accept defeat, okay? I'm just angry that Anna, you refuse to help us. I'm not happy at all. Seriously, this is crazy, oh. This is crazy. Oh, Jesus.
Nne, do you know that I was with Tony's sister when Chisom's mother came to warn the father about Tony? Hey, it is Tony who is instigating Ejike to chase Fred's wife away and take over all his properties.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, so more than serious.
My own Tony.
Your Tony.
Wait, what is Tony's business with the Kusas family? Who asked for his help? Who called him? Who invited him to that family?
I don't know.
Don't worry. I will call Tony by myself.
Okay.
And Tony have to choose between me and Ejike. That is what I would do.
No problem. You know I went to the shop to look for you. And they say you are not around. So I was heading to the house and then, you know.
My dear, I've been so busy, but I'll go to the shop later.
No problem.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I'll be on my way.
Let's to shop later.
Of course I will now.
Take care.
I'm going, all right, bye-bye.
My own Tony. What is he doing there anyway? Who asked for his help? I know what to do.
Who else knows about this apart from 2 of you?
Just me and her.
It's okay. Please, no one else should know about it. I have my reasons. Ejike must not know about it. We must fight this battle to the end.
Mama, I'm in support of that. And I am ready to help in any little way I can. I'm in support of that.
But do you see us winning this fight, Mama? I heard it is the tradition.
at you. Yeah. I'm so full of life. All right, darling. Daddy's tired, eh? I need to rest.
Play with you.
It's me you want to play with? Oh, but Daddy's tired. Okay, we'll continue later. Huh?
Darling, I think you're giving her more time than me.
Is someone jealous here? You are my queen and she's my princess. I love you both.
I love you.
I love you more, my baby.
You see, out of the heart, the mouth speaketh. Now I'm jealous.
Honey, you know what? Give me a minute before I chew on a D. So, someone is getting jealous. It's your turn. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm not.
Alele, it's your turn. Alele, Alele, it's your turn. Alele. Show me you are jealous. How can you be jealous of your own daughter?
I just asked for a bit of time. Christine, take your drink and don't look at us, okay?
No, I love you, okay? I love you so
love you more.
Say you're happy now.
Again, why are you doing this, eh? Why are you doing this to yourself now? You're not helping yourself.
He was a good father.
I know.
The best husband every lady would want. So I will not see him again. I went to Christy's room and made her crying, asking me when her daddy would come back.
Please. Please. I know how you feel. But we cannot question God. Eh? Stop doing this to yourself, please.
I miss him.
Let me go and talk to her, okay? Please. I don't like these tears. Biko, stop crying. You're going to harm yourself if you continue like this. Let me go upstairs and talk to her, okay? Please.
Nkechi, if we are to judge by what Nkoli here said, you are not legally married to our brother.
Hmm?
Yes.
Mama?
The fact that you had a son with our late brother and that he has been taking care of both of you until he passed on never made you his wife. That's our tradition.
What is he saying, Mama? Eh? Mama, are you just a baby mama to my father?
No.
So what is he saying?
They paid something on my head.
They paid something?
Eh?
They paid something.
When? Who paid? Dikeh, for your information, in case your mother had been lying to you, nothing was done on her head. We only went there to knock on the door so that my late husband will have access to you as his son. No bride price was paid. And in our tradition, it's only bride price that is called marriage. When bride price is paid, that is when you are legally married to your husband. So, you are what? A side chick or a fable.
And that is our tradition and can never be changed. Never.
Ejike is our son. Yes. But an illegitimate son to our late brother, O.O.N.O. Kwosa. Your mother was illegally married. And if you must have anything in this family, you must make peace with
the legally married one.
Bamba, you lie. You're a liar. I don't like all this kind of a thing. You should just go straight to the point and stop trying to manipulate things. No, you told me that he was my father. You said it yourself. What are you trying to meander, try to say something that doesn't make sense? Legal or illegal, it doesn't have anything to do with my inheritance. Nobody will touch my inheritance. I am the only surviving son of my father.
Ejike, you lied. In case your mother did not teach you the tradition, let me educate you.
Good.
Any child that is born out of wedlock is a bastard. I have nothing to inherit except my... Stop! What is that? You must respect the tradition.
What is that? Ejike, why? Who asked this idiot to come here? Mama, who asked you to come here?
Enough of that, Ejike. What you just said is our tradition. And not even the Igwe. Not even the Igwe can change it.
Not even the Igwe.
Yes, change it.
So why are you sitting there? Why are you talking to me like that? Am I your mate?
Use your head before they use.
Let her use her head. Let her use her head. Don't ever interfere in our conversation again.
For the record's sake, say the wife and daughter must be here before we share anything.
Period.
And that is how it is.
On point.
Ichakode, this is a critical situation that, if not carefully handled, will destroy the family. Ichia, we need to ask questions to avoid doing the wrong thing.
That's exactly what I was thinking. But after hearing from Nkoli, I came to the conclusion that Ejike is just a mere substitute. Yes, because the mother has not been paid for. She's not legally married. My brother, that's the tradition we grew up to meet.
You are right. And I'm sure he did not know until now. So we have to go back to the Igwe and tell him the outcome of the meeting.
Okay.
That is what
Let's go.
Let's go. Kaije.
No, don't tell me to calm down. Please. Don't even tell me. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear nobody should say anything to me. Mama, you're useless to me.
Ejike, can you hear me?
I will not hear you.
I say calm down.
You are useless. You are useless to me, Mama. How could you? You kept this whole secret away from me just like that. And I was busy fighting a lost battle. Now,
we have not lost the battle yet. We have not.
We have lost it. Stop doing that. You know what I said at the meeting? How can they say I should go and apologize to my father's first wife, first of all, before peace will... Why? How is that even possible? How? My mother, my so-called mother here never told me I was a bastard.
You are not a bastard. I gave birth to you, and you have a father.
No, where's my father? Where is he?
And I know your father.
Where is he? A man that did not pay your dowry. You are busy opening your leg for any man. And I'm the product of that illicit affair. And you are telling me you know my father. Where's my father?
Stop talking to me, and how dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? I am your mother, and you should have called me some respect.
Their heart is evil. I've been danger. I've been danger.
Natasha, stop. Natasha, stop now. Natasha, I'm talking to you. Stop.
Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. What is it?
Can't you resolve this thing here? Stop. Let us resolve this thing here. Come on.
That is your problem. I mean, I don't understand you. This is my problem with you. Since you have chosen him over a relationship, then so be it. Just let me be. I have to let you understand that I will never keep a man who doesn't listen to me, who doesn't take my advice. I can't do it. It's too much for me.
I am not that man. Listen, let me tell you something. Listen, I'm not that man. Ejike is my friend. And you know Ejike don't have a place to stay in the city. He only came to the city and squatted in my house. Just a little help. Can't I help my friend again?
That thing you are calling a little help. If it is that so little, can't he go and get his own apartment and operate from there? That little help you're talking about is tearing someone's family apart. Look, let me tell you. Mrs. Okosa went to your father and warned him to let you stay away from their family issue. If you cannot stay away from their family issues, please, just pretend we never met.
Baby, listen. the fact is very simple. I cherish our friendship.
Do you?
Yes. You don't expect me to leave you just because I'm helping a friend. But I was only asking for your forgiveness. I did it innocently. I didn't have anything in mind. Eh?
Look, at this point, I don't understand you. When you're ready, I know what you know.
I am not choosing him over our relationship. It is you that I want. Come on, stop working out on me.
What do you want me to do? What?
I want us to resolve our differences here and move on.
Tony, there's nothing to resolve right now. Nothing. Since you have chosen it, so be it. Nothing to resolve, please. You just want to understand.
Okay, you've won. You've won. I want you, not him. Please.
Let me be this now. Hey, let me be this. But I said this one go school. This one when you wear suits.
He's educated too.
You want to insult me? What did you bring that nonsense?
I mean no harm. He's good in English speaking, I meant.
Who English help? As you see me like this, I hate that English as a day. I don't know who make them too serious. What they talk English, you want to insult me? I beg you, I had a quick verse, man, don't come on here.
Daddy! Daddy!
Hey. My princess, how are you?
Fine, Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy, Mommy said I'll not see you again, but you're back.
Don't mind mommy, eh? Now joke, she did joke. Yeah, now joke, I'm back. And I'm not going to travel again, yeah?
Promise me that you'll not travel again so Mom will not cry.
I promise I will not travel again, eh? Give me 5. Go back, talk now.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Why you dey move like we never see human being before? Come on for here now. Go bath the pikin, they look like tolo tolo. Where they come?
How did you know that's the name the father to call her?
So now what did the papa they call him be that?
Yes.
I get her. I guess so. I don't know say that what did the papa they call her. Eh? I don't know, I guess so. So I get her. Bye now. Back to business. How you go be? When they too cold, now they move like say, what did they sup now? Loosen up. What did they have? How you go be?
What did they happen? Eh? Person we die for plane crash. Come waka, enter here. Nobody dey run. Abi Oyibo don put bulletproof for plane. I know say Oyibo people nothing they know fit do. Yeah? That means say hope do. Hope dey for my wife. Oh. The promises wey my God do for me. Hey! Hope dey for all the promises my God make for me. So I go marry. Hey! Uju. Oyiromu gato to konkom, gato to konkom, gato to konkom, gato. Oyiromu gato to konkom. Even Uju gato to konkom. Uju gato to konkom. Uju gato to konkom, gato. Asim Uju gato to konkom, gato to konkom, gato to konkom.
That is the same bond she shares with her father.
Yeah.
Please help us.
Is it possible that you both were born twins and was separated and you don't know each other?
I leave that your long English and that story for another day. Other day there we say my mind sets you. I don't even know when I take promise that fine princess, all those things where I talk. I mean, no man, anything where I talk, I don't run. I don't talk what I don't fit do. So, we go run am at the game. But now I go, come back later.
Thank you so much.
When I know the fine person call, no, thank you. When I dey fuck up for here, what happen? Come give me transport, I beg. I know the follow wanna do those ones. Come.
Now this kind woman, my God. Ah! Chinekebe. Okay? Okay, you still alive. They thought say you don't die.
Now you go die, idiot. Why you gonna work for this kind of place? You know they eat. They know they give you food.
I talk am. Okay, now that useless short girl where you carry come. Would you? She know they give me food again though because she said she go put on top pepper for my food.
Nobody go poison you, you not get value. They chop. They chop, make breeze not carry you. Hope say you hold stone for pocket, idiot.
Okay?
I know be your guy, I be your new Oga, Mama Gola. I know be your guy, I be new Oga. New Oga. I know ya.
My new Oga. Hey! My God, don't forget me, I've been waiting. Oga, na me now. Na me, John. When you say you go marry wife, give me. My come up from bachelor, come become married man. Oga, na me, oh. Hi! I thought I'm my enemy. Would you? Only you be the enemy, why I know say I get. Hey! Oga, na me, John, oye mbiri chukwu na. Hey! Oh.
This is suspicious. He was playing hard to get before and now he's succumbed. What if he's double standing?
It's not possible. What you should be saying right now is to make him how to speak English without mixing pidgin. Because Mama would definitely suspect. You know Mama too well. And Mama knows his son to be educated.
That is right.
Yes.
Mama has some explanation to do for me. Because how come two Freds, same body structure, same face, same voice? Wait, what if this is a test?
No, Fred cannot put up such a test. No? See, we're talking about a man who cannot stay without seeing his family. This is 2 months. 2 months since he left his family.
You're right. But Mama has to know about this.
Yeah.
She has to know so that she can explain to me how this is even possible.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ejike.
Sir?
Did I hear you call me uncle?
Yes, uncle. I was actually going to your house. Thank God I met you here.
What happened?
Uncle, nothing really happened. It's just that I want to make peace. Biko, I am here to apologize. I want you and Uncle Cody. Biko, I want you both to forgive me. And I promise I will never be a naughty son again. And I want peace to reign in our family. I want us to unite together as one big, happy family. Biko, that is why I'm here. Also for my stepmother, I don't know how to tell her about this. I want everybody to be happy. I will be a good boy from now on. I promise.
Ejike, I can't believe you are talking this crap to me. That is not bad. You say you want us to unite as one big family we are.
Exactly.
I love that. But you have to make that very move. First, go to your stepmother. First, talk to her. Whatever you discuss with her, talk to her, make peace with her first. If it doesn't work out, then we can come in.
Hi. Make peace.
Yes.
Uncle, do you think she will listen to me?
Ejike, they don't judge a book by its cover. Yes, go to her, make peace with her. If she didn't listen to you, then you come back. Then we know where to come in.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you, Uncle. who goes here, uncle?
Goes here.
Yes.
I
was actually going to your house before I met you. I don't know if you can help me and talk to Uncle Akode.
That is not my own. You have to talk to him. Talk to him. The way you talk to me, did anybody accompany you to me? Talk to him too. Whatever you discuss with him, then you come back to me. I will know what to do.
Okay, Uncle.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a changed person.
That's good.
I'm a changed person.
That's very good.
Kode, yeah. Come for Uncle Akode. Thank you, sir.
Ejike calling me uncle for the first time and even concluding it by telling me that you want to make peace, to unite the family as one good family that we have. It's not a bad thing. But my question is this. Is it directly from the bottom of his heart, or he just fabricating it to get me? Ejike, one that they say can never end. Ejike, talking to me this way.
Ochalo fight, Ochalo mamba. If Ochalo go fight, Ochalo mamba. If I would do all day, by fire, by force. Family was supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son.
Fine girl. Good morning. Why is your face like this? Is Mama inside? Please, call her for me.
What do you want Mama for? Ejike, please, we don't have strength for your trouble. Please.
Stop, la. Stop acting as if we are quarreling. Are we quarreling? Are we fighting? I'm your brother now, you're my sister.
You can never be my brother, Ejike. Never. See, I'm not like Mama. I am not like Mama that is peaceful. Because the next time you step your feet in this compound, Mama will give me the alcohol. I'll pour hot water.
Stop now. Are you busybody? You want me to leave this compound as if I'm a total stranger? I'm your brother now. Stop
acting. That is exactly who you are. A total stranger, Ejike.
Mama, greetings.
I don't want to hear anything you want to say. If you have come to disturb us, like you always do, my daughter will do exactly what she told you.
Mbamba, I'm not here to disturb anybody. I come in peace. I come in peace. Please, Biko, my sister. Please, Mama, I want us to be happy again. I want us to come back as one big, happy family. Biko, let's unite. Let peace reign.
Ginonye? Huh? Ejike, Ginonye?
All of us now.
Tell your useless and worthless mother that this plan, these are new tactics, will never ever work. It will not work. You are no. This never I mentioned though is capital one. You are sighing for me. Okay. You see this fight. We will fight it to the end though. Let us see who will lose. In case if you have finished, that is the gate. It's open.
No, my mother is not worthless and useless.
My friend, go.
Why should I even use please? Do not forget to lock my gate after you. Chisom, go and make sure the gate is locked.
Alright.
Nonsense. Idiots.
Iche, hold on. I've been calling you since. Where are you running to now?
Ejike, what is it again? What is it again?
I've been calling you since now, Iche. The idea you gave me did not work. That idea did not work. That begging idea. I don't like it. It's not working. You need to have seen the way the Chisom and the mother was just insulting me today. They said they will pour me hot water if I don't leave their compound. That plan is zero. Change plan, Biko. Change plan. It's not in my dictionary.
This is just the right step in the right direction. You see, you don't expect them to open their arms and receive you after all these tumults that have taken place. The best thing you are doing now is just to see how you can reconcile and make peace.
But I don't want peace. All. I don't want peace. I don't want peace because they don't want peace too.
Ejike, I've spoken. Peace is what we need, and that's all.
You have to change it, change that plan, change that direction. They even insulted my mother. They say my mother is worthless and useless. I let them be because of you. You said I should make peace. The peace is not working. The peace is not working. Now we go change that to war. We go change that to war. No be peace again. What kind of thing is this now? A homie go the beg person go they change that for me. Unto waiting. You know me for Abba. You know the way they behave for Abba. Nah, war. It's war time. War time. Anything they want, anyhow they want, I will give them. War time.
This cannot be. I am the true son of my father, and I will stand as one. Nobody can stop me from my inheritance. If fighting everybody is what I must do, then so be it.
Ocholo fight, Ocholo mamba. If Ocholo go fight, Ocholo mamba. If I go do all day, by fire, by force.
Ejike. You want to wound me?
Stay away from me. You're the cause of my problems. Avoid me.
Ocholo fight, Ocholo mamba. If Ocholo go fight, Ocholo mamba. If I go do all day, by fire, by force. Family was supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son.
And you believed him. You believed him. What good could come out of that boy's mouth if not to insult the elders, as he always does? Thank God Nkoli did not give him the chance. Because that boy is planning something big.
But he said he wants to make peace and to unite the family.
That's the most stupid thing that could come out of his mouth. Let me tell you, he is just interested in acquiring his or inheriting his late father's wealth. That's all. Look, be careful the way you relate with that boy. Because he is bad news. He is bad news. Come, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It was a dream. But why?
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them.
I have respected everybody enough. And enough is enough. I will not take it again. I will not take it again. It's either we'll settle it in peace or in pieces. And if it is war, I am 100% ready for it. Okay, Nafio? No, what is going on? Are you people joking with me? How can somebody, a non-entity, will be comfortably sitting on my destiny? I need my father's property. I need my father's property now.
Calm down for what? No, calm down for what?
We must settle everything today. Enough is enough. I have had enough. You do know what you're doing? Do you know what you're doing? Eh? Nobody should tell me nonsense, so today we must do everything. We must sign the documents. I will take what belongs to me. My father's property, everything must be assigned to me today.
Everybody get up. Everybody get up. You guys, get me the documents and let me start signing it right now. I will do something drastically. I need my father's property. I will cut off somebody. Mama, I will cut off somebody's head. I need my father's property. You make a call now. Call your daughter and everybody. Let them get The documents and papers, everything, let me sign it. Hurry up!
Ejike.
Fred, what am I saying?
Why you the ginger elders now?
Who is this Fred?
I know be Fred.
Young man, if you're not Fred, who are you?
Let me be Anayo. Fred, identical twins, but they separate us when I be baby.
That's a lie.
See the idiot we are now.
That's a lie. Hey, listen, I know your tricks. You want to come here and deceive us, Okwaya? They cloned you. Fred is dead. Dead and gone. Leave here now before I cut you into pieces.
I resemble who they lie. Meanwhile, see, I don't fight, I kill.
You kill?
Now, don't follow me to do all these ones now. You want ginger me?
My friend, leave here now before I kill you. Wonyala, leave here.
Oh, no, no, no.
Who the hell? My friend, get out.
Wait, Mike,
get out from here. Think I don't know your type. My friend, let him get out. I need my father's documents. I need my father's document, everything. Bring, Mama, who is this useless boy? Fred is dead. CNN carried the news. CNN carried the news. What the hell are you talking about? My friend, everyone lie down. Ow! Documents. The documents.
You my family.
Go down.
I don't know. I tell you now.
Who give you gun? Sorry.
I don't know.
I did done.
I go.
Please.
I dey talk with your talk.
Please.
Now they lie.
Please.
I dey put format.
Please. Please.
If you stand up, I go blow your head.
Sorry.
I be Anna, yo. Fred, twin brother. You know what man I go do the thing. I dey put over here the lie. I be twins, that idiot separate us don't small. Go ask him. You remain here.
When will I finish?
The last my head is from everything here. Come. The last now, I'm everything here. I tell the man there.
So, Mama, what is going on? What is going on here now?
Come and sit down.
Iche, call my friends.
Hey, shut up! I said shut it! Shut it! Show you are threatening me with knife today.
Bam. I have seen gun.
You want to cut my head?
Please. Continue, I beg. I dey good verse. Let the meeting continue. Okay, sit down now. Now you don't want to shoot.
Come sit on this side.
Stay there. You will lie down while the meeting continues.
I was scared of meeting him at first. But after I did, I knew there was something about him. The bond he shared with Christian and my husband is the same. So I took him to our family doctor and I confirmed that they're the same thing. That was why I brought him here. Because only Mama can tell us what happened.
I knew I had twins 38 years ago. But I was told that only one survived, even though I didn't see the corpse of the other one. What baffled me was the same doctor that told me that only one twin survived was the same person that came into my family. She had an affair with my husband and had a child for him. That child is Ejike. Yes, Ejike's mother was the doctor who delivered me of the twins and told me that only one survived.
What? Mama, the same person separated him from us.
Exactly. I don't know what that woman is looking for in my home, in my family. Eh? She had a relationship with my husband. She had been disturbing since then. Anyway, I thank God that the truth came out at the right time. Fred is no more. Indirectly, he is back in the form of Anayo. Anayo is my son. I now know that that woman played a trick on me. Anayo is my son.
Mama, Anayo asked me to take him to Ejike's house.
Reasons I don't know.
Why would he want you to show him the place?
I don't know, Mama. Excuse me, Mama. No. What happened? Not now that I am getting to my aim. Eh? But Machi told me she injected the baby and threw him into the pit. How come after 38 years? Pick this call, fool. Pick this call.
Come outside. I don't like to repeat myself. Come outside. I say enter son, no provoke me. So now you get mine. Separate me and my family when I be baby.
Sorry, please. It is greed. I didn't want anyone to collect my man from me. So I did the unthinkable, Pico Bara. Please forgive me.
So that thou shall not kill where the Bible. You know see him. You know read that part. Thou shall not kill. You know see him for Bible.
Please forgive me. I beg you. Please have mercy on me.
No, well, I dey forgive people, but after forgiveness, I dey treat their fuck up so that people who dey around they don't say nobody. You know understand? I don't forgive you. Well, like this now, you are hereby banished. You come out for this village, leave this house, just be moved. Because any day when I set my eyes on you anywhere, that will be your last day for this earth. You know understand? I go lie to you. They feel me so. What do you make me leave in upstairs? No one business in my hand. I don't tire. So,
he said now. Go.
If I jam you, go wake up for hospital. They go. They are my banished. I'm not here. Next.
Ejike.
Check whether the idiot there around. No, tackle everything else. After we don't say I no be Fred. I don't like English. Don't send anybody, Papa. We'll do anyhow, we'll see anyhow. Is the idiot around?
The idiot is not around. Ejike.
Iche, I don't understand what is going on. Please, you people should tell me what is going on now because I am mad, I am confused right now. The boy I saw today, is he not Fred? Eh? We all know Fred is dead. Who was that person?
See,
my mother never told me Fred has a twin brother. So, who is that boy?
My son, I am as confused as you are. But the fact remains that at this age, I should be able to differentiate between black and white. I saw Fred live and direct today. If Fred were to be dead, just like you are claiming, how come nobody is talking about his funeral? You see, even 2 months after.
What?
Something tells me that Fred is alive.
Well, you're making sense. But my friend Tony sent a video to me now. CNN confirmed the news that Fred is dead. Even Al Jazeera, all the news confirmed it. His picture was there. Everything was there. So what is going on? And he said that he is not Fred, that he is Anayo. I don't want to understand what is going on. Am I mad?
No, you are not.
Can I even think straight? Or do you think I'm running mad? What is going on?
Son, just hold on. What I'm saying is, the father of Fred, the late father, never told me that Fred was a twin. Neither did his mother also say that. I am convinced that Fred is still alive.
Mbamba, Fred is not alive. I know what I'm talking about now. Fred is not alive. Who was that idiot now that was just claiming to be Fred's twin brother?
Fred is alive.
In fact, the people was just matching me with a gun. Nah, Iche, I will come out and do something.
This woman is overwhelmed.
I will start doing something crazy. Someone should tell me what is going on.
Fred is dead.
Fred is dead.
Fred is alive.
Fred is dead.
Fred is alive.
Fred is dead.
He's saying that Fred is alive.
Well, no be small thing, no. We thank God for today, Sha, but I suffer well. Hey, if I play you my tape, if you shift from here. But everywhere good. That woman will train me. A better woman.
Try.
Before she die, get thing she tell me. Say make I no give up. Say there is tunnel for the end of the light. Abi, how they thought that thing for saying the light there for the last place where the tunnel there.
That at the end of the tunnel, there is light.
The light there for the end of the tunnel. Before she can die, say make I no give up. That thing they ring for my head steady. So giving up no dey the dictionary like this. A wonderful woman.
Sure.
After she died, I begin step for that uncomputer now. Uncomputed building from the operate. What did I no see? Sometimes they can go clamp you. You go bury yourself by yourself. When they say, call your people. I say, no people. Call your papa. Call your mama. They retire for me now. But those ones don't pass. I thank God say now we dey here like this. I don't jam my family, so everywhere don't good.
That woman sounds like a good person.
I know a better person now.
Oh. Who is she? Is alive, but God knows everything.
I've used money scatter her to say she's alive.
Your twin brother also was a nice guy, even your father. Do you know that your twin brother, your father and I, we built the company to the stage it is today. They were hard-working people. But it's all in the past now. You are my son. I want you to know that you have a family that loves you, cherishes you.
Don't be say I have family. Now we be family now. I have again. Not be we dey here. Now we dey here now.
Your family loves you and will always love you. And I want you to know that nothing in this world, in the whole universe, will make me to lose you again.
Amen. Amen.
We will be together till the end of time.
Amen. Amen.
Your sufferings, sorrows, and pains, they are all bygone in the past.
Amen.
Cheers to a new day.
Yes, sir.
Greater days ahead.
Yes,
I think I'm the most happiest one here. I now have a brother. Hey! Brother, now you're welcome.
I will dey here now.
My brother. Mama. Hey.
Fred is back indirectly.
Yes, so Fred mixed with Anaya.
Equals to Anna, your friend.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
What did make me say make gonna come this meeting for my house for town here? Be say I dey like meeting that happen where I dey in charge, where be my ground. In case of anybody will zuzu to clamp am go easy for me. You don't understand? Now make me move on from village come here. See my brother Fred. Now my twin brother and a part of me forever. But our character not be the same. I know they look for trouble, but if trouble come, now we dey here. You understand? You, Maz, you be evil man. Yes. One column be my papa property. Ejike na your son. Ejike na your son. You and your wife plan all those rubbish because when I dey my pop's property. You won't kill everybody carrying what no belong to you. I get every info concerning all of you as you stand here. Before you come, me, I don't do my own check-ins and findings. I get everybody data from my hand. You understand? You see you like this, based on your fuck up. If you reach that community, we dey town, but I dey banish you. Move, carry your wife, they move. Because if you don't move, I go personally lie to you and they go throw your body into bottomless pit. That evil forest, now there your body go day. I want to go to plan evil.
Please, my son, forgive me. This is not me. I was pushed into doing it. Please reconsider what you just said.
Ude, can you listen to yourself? That's the same way you'll be pushed into living our village. Let me tell you,
Igwe now knows the truth. And he is solidly behind him. Yes. He is solidly behind him.
He wants to inherit everything where my papa gets. This man naive. Thank God say my twin brother and my popsi, they are dead na natural. But normally this man won't kill everybody, Columbia the whole property. Na evil man. Wetin make me like myself be say, I go forgive you, but I go punish you. So that I go use you as an example. So that the next people wey die around, nobody go come try me. So, Oga, move to that village, carry your wife, bagger. Else, I go lie to you and I go throw your dead body into the bottomless pit, that evil forest where they are villa. Your time starts now. Move!
We can ask you to ever poor. Before now, collect water. Bawado!
Lazy idiot. All of us don't get 24 hours. They plan to carry wealth where you know suffer. You want chop where you know reap. If I stand up, you go wake up for hospital. Come on for here now! You want chop for where you know work. You want reap you know so. Everybody don't get the same 24 hours. You know go work. One use brother, step brother, Columbia people family. I go lie to you. Come on for here! Forgiveness accepted, but I go punish you. Make people not try me again. I go use you set example.
Nah, it's reason me now. Reason me now. Organic kwa?
AGK. If killing you will bring peace to this family, we don't have issues.
Huh?
Not at all. Alright, can you prove all the things you're saying now?
What do you mean if I can prove it? I can prove it now. I can prove it. That boy is nobody. He's an impostor. He's nobody.
AGK, if you are not tired, I'm very, very tired. I am very, very tired. Listen to me. My little advice to you is to go and apologize to him.
Me?
The friend I saw some days ago is ready to fight the entire village.
Nah, I cannot apologize to anybody. Never in my life. Mommy, I cannot apologize to anybody.
Now listen. I still remember if you were his shoes, you would have done the same thing.
I don't care if it's Fred or Anna or anybody. I don't care. I will get everything that belongs to me.
Please. I do not want you to come here with this talk again.
I don't care. I will not come. No problem. No problem. You guys are ganging up against me, Okoya. You don't want to give me what belongs to me. You want to eat everything. Eat it now. No problem. Eat it. Enjoy it. Eat it, but just get ready for war.
It is me you want to show you.
Get ready for war.
Even with Anna, your
friend, anybody, get ready for war.
My friend, get out of this place.
Anybody.
Get out of this place.
What is it, Seth?
What kind of rubbish is this? Look at this scallywag. Look at this liquor. Vagrant.
So, Malena, the cocoa be that too. Anybody where price go collect. Me, I don't believe in trouble. But if trouble come, we go rugged them. All this is where they tell me, say, leave our enemies, leave our enemies. I don't believe in all those things. If you leave baby enemy, you go turn international enemy. I know they look for trouble, but once trouble come, we pound down, we go rocket down. You understand? So I beg, if all these people who don't fuck up, I go treat their fuck up one after the other, whether I forgive you or not, you go collect.
I understand what you are saying, but I want you to know and remember that we are one big family.
No, family no be person where you and they blood related. No. Say you with the bonus from one womb, don't mean say with blood. That's only blood related. Family now who show you love, who call you love, you go now call love back. You know what I'm saying? The person is call you family, you go now call them family now. That's the tell you say be your enemy, you won't go they call them family. They whine. Like AGK now, not be my family. If you like, me will be the same blood. You know me, not be my family because see as they behave. So leave them for me, I go treat him fuck up.
What about the mother?
That one. I don't forgive him, but I still banish him. You know why? If you forgive people, still punish them so that people who die around no go try what they do next time. That's all life be. I beg.
Mama.
You say you don't banish him?
Yes, he banished her. Allow him to handle this case. Allow him.
Money Lusana, you're so Okosiki for either play, either show. Anayo, Anayo. You know what?
Tony, Tonero, what is it now? What is going on now? I don't understand you these days. Oh. We're going to finish business now. Why are you backing off? Ejike, let me say this to your face. This should be the last time you will come after me on this same issue. Please! I can't keep tormenting a family that did nothing to me. Tonero, okay, what is going on? I'm telling you the truth to your face. What happened now? If you have problem with Okwosa family, go there and resolve it yourselves. Count me out of this, please. I should count you out of this. It's frustrating my relationship. Which relationship? You know, if I was in your shoe, I will help you out. Why are you acting as if I am nobody to you? Thank God you are not in my shoe. This last opportunity my fiancé gave to me, I must utilize it, please. Woman, they control you too? Yes. Woman, they control you? It's the woman I want to marry. The woman I want to marry you? Who wants to marry you? Oh, who wants to marry me? Okay, you're asking. Natachi want to marry me? Yes. Please. You're a very wicked person. Now you know. You're a very wicked person. Now you know. After everything I've done for you, you can't fight with me now. What did you do? After everything what did you do for me? What did you do for me? You're asking me what I did for you. Yes. Because you're driving car now, Kwaya. This is about it now. Nah, guy. Go and fight your battle. Don't fight with me. Just go. Get out. Get out with your car. I will fight alone. Anumanu. Nkita checking the idiots. Iche, why are you running like? What is going on?
Ejike,
I was please coming to your house.
Stay out of my way.
What is going on?
You have to stay out of my way.
What happened now? Talk to me. Are you okay?
That evil brother of yours is after my life. I have just less than 5 minutes to leave this village. Or I will take it.
Iche, I don't understand what do you mean my evil brother is chasing you? Who is the person? How can somebody be chasing a titled man in this village? Somebody is chasing you around out of this village. Can't you report the person to the Igwe? Report him to the Igwe and this nonsense will stop.
See who is talking. He has the backup of Igwe. Your mother left this village without telling us, and that man was behind it. Can I tell you the truth? Henceforth, you are fighting alone.
If I go fighting, if I do all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be.
Who is he to chase people out from their village? Wait a minute. Is he Fred? No, I don't think so. The Fred I know is a peaceful man. This one is the opposite of him. But you see, me, Ejike, I will never give up. I will fight to the end, no matter what.
What? See, after our traditional marriage, I'm going to take you to the city with me.
Oh, baby. That would be so nice of you. Yes, and I know I will love it.
And there in the city, you will have my twins.
I will have your baby. I don't like twins.
Yes, set of twins.
No.
2 boys.
No. I will have your baby, but not twins.
Not twins?
No, I don't like twins. Just want something we can take care of.
Love you, baby.
I love you too.
Come on, give me a kiss.
Come on. We're on the road.
Nobody is coming. Come on.
Somebody is coming.
Excuse me. I'm with my woman. Give me a kiss, please.
Baby, I promised you after our marriage.
Hello.
Hi. So you're gonna have dozen of it.
Do you want me to take it by fast?
No.
You want me to take it by fast? Come on.
Achalo fight, achalo mamba. If achalo go fighting, achalo mamba. If I do all day, by fire, by force, family we're supposed to be like heaven. Unfortunate son, one day, you go see what a fool, one day, you go see what a For how long will this continue to linger? Does it mean that nothing can be done? Our family has scattered. Whoa, fighting every day, market.
Hello, Gina. Gina, I've been standing here for a very long time. I cannot find any bike around here. There's no bike in this your village, oh. Me, I'm tired. I've been standing here for over 30 minutes now, but I've not seen any bike. Eh? I'm tired and the sun is too much.
There's no bike. I've been looking for bikes. I've been standing here over 30 minutes. I've not seen any bike. This is your village now. Wow.
Make the call!
I'll make the call,
Are you ready to make the call?
Give
her the call. Take it! Let it go! What's the problem? You think I'm here to joke?
Hello, Gina.
Hello? Who is this?
Gina, I was kidnapped.
My friend kidnapped? Rose!
I was kidnapped, Gina.
Rose, where are you? How? Who kidnapped you?
They said if you don't send the properties, the documents, they will kill me. Gina, please.
What? Where are you right now? Hello? Hello, please put up.
Gina, I was kidnapped by Dikeh.
They asked you to call names?
No.
See, if there's a steady boy locate us here, I'll make sure I kill you before I go to jail.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I don't want to die, please. I am not Gina. I'm just Gina's friend, please.
I don't want to die.
I don't want to die, please. I am not Gina. I'm begging the name of God.
Boss, how far now? Reason me the matter wey dey on ground now. Me run this girl matter now. The way she dey doing me, I no too like am. Like this way she dey, my blood dey high yo. I mean, just tell me, no be she be the main target who dey fight on like this.
Senior bro, just give us more order. More buy this girl. More just buy this girl. You know say this place no dey safe. Police fit locate us come here. More buy this girl, relocate, go another place. More start life.
Wanna calm down? I get plans. You see that girl? That one out of many who catch. I just keep her here because I need something very, very important. We go torture her. She go call others. They go sign the paper, sign the document. They bring her come give me. You understand? I need all my father's documents to be signed, and everything should be located to me as the bona fide son. So we go touch am, we go do a small thing, make she make call, make them sign those papers, come give me. The papers must reach my hand first. You understand? We no go kill am, but we go do the needful. You understand me? That is it.
But like this, as it be like this now, how far? Touch us now, we will give her a small hand for body. That yellow skin where she carry me turn to black like this.
Torturing her no be the problem. Now to make her call those people to sign that document.
Now waiting me a 1 year so that me go know how to take do and make she turn black. You go see say confession go begin to come out. I mean my boss, if you give me your combo, might just a drag small so that the spirit go up now.
Okay, one take small. I can't take now.
Boss, no be that hand where you take give me so like this, you know go clear.
You bless the grace, eh? If you talk that nonsense again, I go slap you. Shut up. This small boy. Come. Both of you should be very careful with me.
do your work diligently. You understand? I don't want her to say she come out from here. Hold am, hold stage, make she make call, make they sign those papers and bring them here. Understand? I don't want your stories that touches the heart.
No, I see you, bro. Be hello. Hey for you. The boss man. See, man dey here, man no allow escape. If she escape, that money I dey expect. If I no see her, all of una, I go just buy una. I no get use. Man no go anywhere. You wey be boss, you wan follow am comot. If that girl run, na me and you dey go hold for here. Stand for here, no go watch am.
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. You can only try, but never succeed. Throw me to the wolves, I must return, leading the pack. Then you will know your comfort zone is your enemy. Their heart is wicked.
Oh boy, y'all don't gas. It is up. My brother, see, y'all don't gas for area. It is up. Ekelebe wan pull body. If na Ekelebe down better. Ekelebe down better. See, this baby will kidnap so. Na AY babe. Na AY babe. See, we know who be AY. Okay, I remember. I no follow mistake for city. I don't follow mistake for city when I go know who be AY. For AY to call me, talk say babe dey my hand. No say, you know say this baby here. If he come here, he go wipe us. He go wipe us, wipe our generation. If you come here, see, you go buy everybody when they here. They will be alive. I tell you now. You know what's in the worry. Remember, Nasu when they go kidnap you, we can talk, see what happen, see what happen. But leave this matter where they talk, it's to the joke. Which kind of matter they talk? They tell me make I keep quiet. See. Only they talk to you like now to lose this girl. Calm down. See, this guy say we are not understand what they talk. Now why they do this thing now? Wait first, why they lose this girl now? Stand up. See, just stand up. They go, no worry. Just stand up, they go. Yeah, why you do this thing now? Why they lose this girl? You know say na money you collect for this thing. Shut up now. Why you don't down there they talk, they tell me shut up. Why you do like that now? See, everything no be money. Abobi, calm down. Why you go lose that matter now? You say our money be that. Bobo won't die. As for me, my hand no. Abobi, calm down. Why you talk like that now? Why? Why you talk like we be? I don't wanna come up for here. Ma tell you, if you come here, I better shoot come up for here. They show Anayo. Osenkeche Anayo. He no want trouble, but he know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared. Anayo. Anayo. If you the couple nonsense, back up your game back out on the unfair. He's not a gentleman. Oh, Anayo. Anayo. Mwabolo Anayo. You know Anayo. This kind of man, I never see him before. He welcomes trouble and only shoot to those who wish to look for trouble. His actions define who he is. He have seen the worst of this world. Yeah, Mama Fugamwaya. He's a non-nonsense man,
very mean and wise. Always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children man, your child, you see, Karaka Puroki, don't
We can settle this I'm your brother.
You say that your madness, my baby madness. I don't fight, I kill. Make yourself comfortable. Manage the self-call, no provoke me. I said...
We can settle this amicably.
You see like this now, yeah? Go where we keep rules. I don't say that you kidnap her. We'll collect them first. From there, we go police station. We go rest more. From police station, we go court. After court, or wash you go prison. Idiot.
Anayo, we are brothers.
I know they believe for all those stories and forgiveness. You know they walk around here. Idiot. I tell you say that your madness, my baby madness. I get the original one.
The words of this world. My children may your child. Yeah, Mama forgot why. And I he's a nonsense man, very mean and wise. Always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children may your child. You see, Karaka Puroki, don't they, Manaru. And you know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always prepared, up on the wall of my web. And Sigaka, up what the road. Maniru Zena, your son, Okosiki for either play, either show. Anayo, Osenkache, Anayo. You know one trouble, but you know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared. Anayo. If you the couple nonsense, back up your good on the unfair. He's not a gentleman. Oh, Anayo. Wabolo, Anayo. What did you know, Anayo? This kind of man, I never see him before. He welcomes trouble and only shoot to those who wish to look for trouble. His actions define who he is. He has seen the worst of this world. Makejira me your child. Yeah, Mama forgot why. And he's a nonsense man, very mean and wise. Always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. A children may your child. You see, Karaka Puroki, don't they, Manaru. Anayo. You know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always prepared, up on the wall of my web. Anayo. Isini well isim bakas opwadiro maniru zana yo so okosigi for ide play ide show Anayo Osenkache Anayo. You know one trouble, but you know they run away for any trouble. A man of war is well prepared. Anayo. If you the couple nonsense, back up your good on the unfair. He's not a gentleman. Oh, Anayo.